Hello students, this is the 10th part of straight lines. Today I am going to explain some problems based on all different forms of straight lines. So today's first problem, find the equation of a straight line whose perpendicular distance from 0, 0 is 6 units and normal from the origin to the line makes an angle of 30 degree with the x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. Indirectly you want to use normal form of the straight line. I will explain what the meaning. So this is y-axis, this is x-axis. Okay, for example, this is the required line. So given information is that the perpendicular distance from origin 0 O to origin O to this line is given as 6 and the normal is making 30 degree with the x-axis in the positive direction. So what is given as theta is given as 30 degree and p given as 6, the required equation. The required equation is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. X into cos 30 degree plus y into sin 30 degree equal to 6, x into root 3 by 2 plus y into 1 by 2 equal to 6 are the required equation. Directly I want to write here, that is root 3x plus y equal to 12. This is the required equation of the straight line. This is first problem. Second problem, find the perpendicular distance from the point -3, 4 to the straight line. So easy problem only. So line is 5x minus 12y minus 2 equal to 0. Students, the given point is -3, 4. We want to find distance. We have the formula perpendicular distance from a point x1 y1 to the line ax plus by plus equal 0 as ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square. So that is 5 into -3 minus 12 into 4 minus 2 divided by root over a square means 25 plus b square means 144. It is called minus 15 minus 48 minus 2 by this is 13 because root 169 no? 50 65 48 plus 2 50 65 65 by 13 5s are okay, 13 5s are 65 only 5. Therefore the required distance is 5 units 5 units. At last you need to write conclusion. Therefore the required distance from -3 to 4 to the line 5x minus 12y equal to always 5 units. Okay, next problem, find the distance between parallel lines. You want to find distance between these parallel lines. So should take care, 3x plus 4y minus 3 equal 0. This also should have the form 3x plus 4y minus something only, plus something or minus something. Those are treated as standard forms parallel lines. I want to draw the diagram for this. 3x plus 4y minus 3 equal to 0 nana. This is 3x plus 4y minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. Just I divide through by 2 for the second equation. Now this is treated as C1, this is treated as C2. Now you know how to find the distance between two parallel lines. Say D equal to mod C1 minus C2 by root over a square plus b square. Okay, so mod C means -3 minus of minus plus 1 by 2 by root over a square 9 b square 16. This is called 5 nana. So this is -6 plus 1 by 2, that is -5 by 2 with modulus symbol. So that is 5 by 2 into 1 by 5. So what is that? That is equal 1 by 2 units. Therefore the distance from these two parallel lines is 1 by 2 units. Okay, next question. If the linear equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and lx plus my plus n equal to 0 represent the same line, already you know the concept nana. Listen all of you. A1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 are two identical lines identical lines. What the meaning of that? One line is fallen another on the coordinate plane. So what happened? A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. Then only they are said to be identical lines or coincident lines on the coordinate plane. Okay, students. Here what is given? I will write given Ax plus By plus C equal to 0, comma Lx plus My plus N equal to 0 are identical. Are same line, that is the meaning, identical. So what it gives? A by L equal to B by M equal to C by N. Okay. So something you want to find. L by A value, L by A, N by C equal to M by B only, R equal to M by B only. Okay. So what is given on here? See, L by A, reverse of this, right? Reverse, inverted. L by A equal to M by B equal to C by N. What is given actually? Given small r equal to L by A, that is equal to N by, sorry, I wrote wrong here. I will, here should, this also should invert, no, all ratios should N by C actually. So N by C, that is I will write R equal to M by B automatically. Students, this equal to this equal, R means what happened? This should be equal to R only, no? So what do you want? R value in terms of M and B. Now you got R value in terms of M. This is the R value, no? R equal to M by B. Okay. Next problem, student, transform the equation into normal form. Normal form x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to B form. Normal form. What the form? X cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to P form. You need to convert. Already I explained how to convert Ax plus By plus C equal 0 into normal form. We need to divide root, throughout by root over A square plus B square. Okay, 2x minus 3y equal to minus 6. Next step, divide both the sides by root over 4 plus 9, that is root 13. Okay. What happened to this? 2x minus 3y by root 13 equal to minus 6 by root 13, or otherwise I will say that root 2 by root 13x plus minus 3 by root 13y equal to minus 6 by root 13. So this is the normal form of the straight line. If you take this is the cos alpha, you will get this is sin alpha only. Okay. Why you are getting negative means that alpha is maybe in fourth quadrant. Okay. So alpha, what is the alpha? And alpha belongs to closed 0 to open 360 only, no? So what happened here? Cos alpha positive and sin alpha, in the place of sin alpha I getting negative. What is the meaning of that? Your alpha is in fourth quadrant. Okay. Next question. So 1 minute. This is the question, next question. Anna. If P denotes the distance of a straight line from the origin and alpha denotes the angle made by the normal ray drawn from origin to the straight line with OX measured in anticlockwise direction, find the equation of the straight lines in the following. Just normal form of equations should find. Anna. P given, alpha given, you want to find normal form of the equation. Just I want to explain first one. The required line is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to P. So x into cos alpha, alpha means 60 degree, x cos 60 degree plus y sin 60 degree equal to P means what none here? 5. So x by 2 plus y into root 3 by 2 equal to 5, or another words I can say x plus root 3y equal to 10. This is the required equation. Like that you need to complete remaining problems. Okay, next problem, students. Transform the following equations into slope intercept form, normal form, all forms. So any one of them, I want to use third one. So take any one of the equation, you want to convert all these into three forms. For example, root 3x plus y equal to 4. So slope intercept form first slope intercept I will write slope intercept form. In bracket I will write y equal to mx plus c. So we need to convert that in the form of y equal to mx plus c. Just want to make y as subject, y equal to minus root 3x plus 4, that's all, converted. Okay. B, what intercept form? So I will write in bracket what is the intercept form, x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Okay. So what is given on root 3x plus y equal to 4. What is the meaning of intercept form? X coefficient should be 1, y coefficient should be 1, and the right hand side of the equality should be 1. Okay, first of all, root 3x by 4 plus y by 4 equal to 1. What I did now, I divide through by 4. So this can be written as x by 4 by root 3 I can write, plus y by 4 by 1 I can write equal to 1. No, this is in intercept form. Last one, normal form. Okay, C, normal form. Normal form means you want to convert that equation in the form of x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. Okay, I will write in next page, students. What is that? Root 3 x plus y is equal to, what is that? 4. You know the process. You need to divide through by root over a square plus b square. Divide both sides by root over a square. Root 3 square means 3 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Okay, students. So root 3x plus y by 2 equal to 4 by 2, or root 3 by 2 x plus 1 by 2 y equal to 2. This is in normal form. If you take this is cos alpha, automatically this becomes sin alpha. This becomes p. Okay, students. Yeah. So what I did, I completed problem number 3. Remaining problem you people can complete easy only. We need to convert all the equations in the form of slope intercept form and normal form. Okay, students. Okay. So next problem, find the equation of the straight line in symmetric form. Given the slope and point on the symmetric form, I will write symmetric form. Symmetric form of a line. What is symmetric form? X minus x1 by cos theta equal to y minus y1 by sin theta. This is symmetric form of the straight line. We want to write the equation in this form. Okay. What is given here? Slope is given for anyone. First of all, I want to take second one. Second is best. Okay. So slope is bracket m, that is tan theta equal to what, that is minus 1 by root 3. So automatically theta what? Tan inverse of minus 1 by root 3, that is 180 minus 30 degree, that is what, 150 degree. So tan 150 degree is nothing but minus 1 by root 3, and cross check it. Tan 150, that is 180 minus 30. Second quadrant, this is in second quadrant, tan negative, tan 30 only, minus root 3 by 2, sorry, minus 1 by root 3. So that only will get. That's why inclination of the line is 120 degree, 150 degree. Okay, what is point is given here? Point is minus 2 comma 0, that is x1 y1. So now I want to write a symmetric form, x minus of minus 2 by cos theta, cos 150 degree is equal to y minus 0 by sin 150 degree. Or directly what is given, tan theta is equal to minus 1 by root 3 given. No? From that you can find cos 150 degree, directly cos theta sin theta you can find, but take care of that angle is in a second quadrant. Using that you can say that cos should be negative and sin should be positive. Find those values directly, then you get the symmetric form. Or directly here what I can say, x plus 2 by cos 150, that is 180 minus 30. Okay, the second quadrant minus cos 30 means minus root 3 by 2, minus root 3 by 2 is equal to y minus 0 by Sin 150 means sin of 180, this plus sin 30 degree 1 by 2. Okay. So, more generally what I can write this, I will write here only. Students, what I can write, 2x plus 4y minus root 3 equal to 2y. This is called symmetric form of the line with the slope minus 1 by root 3 and a point on the line is minus 2 comma 0. Remaining problems you people can complete. Okay. Interesting model this one, IMP model. What? Transform the equation x by a plus y by b equal to 1 into the normal form when a greater than 0 and b greater than 0. If the perpendicular distance from the straight line from the origin is p, deduce the value, deduce that 1 by p square equal to 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. So, what is he asking? First of all, you want to convert this into normal form. After that, you want to prove that 1 by p square equal to 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. Okay, students, listen. Yeah, x by a plus y by b equal to 1 or bx plus ay equal to ab. You know the process to convert given equation into normal form. Now, we need to divide through it by root over a square plus b square. Bx plus ay by root over a square plus b square equal to ab by root over a square plus b square. B by root over a square plus b square into x plus a by root over a square plus b square into y equal to ab by root over a square plus b square. Students, now this is in normal form. Here p means what? This is the p. Therefore, p is equal to what, Nana? ab by root over a square plus b square only. So, by using that p, you want to prove that 1 by p square equal to this. So, I want to find p square now. P square equal to a square b square by a square plus b square. 1 by p square I want. 1 by p square equal to a square plus b square by a square into b square. Now, I want divide 1 by p square equal to a square by a square into b square plus b square by a square into b square. So, here what happened in first step, a square get cancelled and b square get cancelled. 1 by p square equal to 1 by b square plus 1 by a square. Therefore, what you got? 1 by p square equal to 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. I hope you people understood. So, you want to convert this into normal form. From that normal form, you get p value. From that, you want to prove that 1 by p square equal to 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. So, we got it. Next problem, students, fourth problem. Find the value of a if the distance of the points 2, 3 and minus 4, 0 from the straight line 3x plus 4y minus 8 equal 0 are equal. So, interesting problem, student. This is a straight line. 3x plus 4y minus 8 equal 0 is straight line. 2 points are given. This is 2, 3. This is another point, that is minus 4, a. Clearly give distance from this point to this line equal to distance from this point to this line. These two distances are equal. So, this is d1. Say this is d2. So, d1 equal to d2. First of all, I want to find d1. After that, d2, equating those two, you get a value. d1, how to find d1? And distance from a point x1, y1 to the line ax plus by plus c equal 0 only. That is nothing but mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square. So, mod 3 times of 2 plus 4 times of 3 minus 8 by root over a square means 9 plus b square equals 16. That is equal 6 plus 12 minus 8 by 5. That is equal 18, 10 by 5, that is equal to 2. The distance from the 2, 3 to the line 3x plus 4y minus 8 equal 0 as got as 2. d2 I want to find, d2. Mod 3 into minus 4 plus 4 into a, okay students, minus 8 by root over 9 plus 16, that is equal minus 12 plus 4a minus 8 by 5, that is equal to 4a minus 20 by 5. So, what is given? I will write given d1 equal to d2. What is d1 here? 2. 2 equal to modulus of 4a minus 20 by 5, that is 10, 5 only, I want cos, okay. 10 equal to 2 times of mod of 2a minus 4, you can take common directly, 4 times I will write now neatly. Yeah, what happened is equal to 4, you can take common, mod a minus 5, that's all. Okay. So what I can say, 100 by 16 equal to a minus 5 square, or directly plus or minus I can use, that is not a big problem. Mod a minus 5 equal to 5 by 2 plus or minus, or a minus 5 equal to 5 by 2 once, or a minus 5 equal to minus 5 by 2, or a equal to 5 by 2 plus 5, or a equal to minus 5 by 2 plus 5. Okay, now I will write therefore a equal to, first of all here 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 5 15 by 2, or here 5 to 10 5 by 2. Therefore, the required a values are 15 by 2 or 5 by 2. So, next question, show that the distance of the point 6 comma minus 2 from the line is half the distance from 3 comma 4 to this line. Just two things here. One line equation is given as 4x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. We need to find distance from the point 6 comma minus 2. Say this is d1. So, another line is given here. What is the line? 4x minus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. From 3 comma 4 we want to find distance. Say this is d2. We want to show that d1 is half of d2. Say the dt. Show that the distance of 6 comma from this half the distance. Okay. Just we want to show that d1 is equal to half of d2. d1 d2 should find. How to find d1? Direct formula. Mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square only. Perpendicular distance. 4 into 6 plus 3 into minus 2 minus 12 by root over a square 16 plus 9, that is equal 24 minus 6 minus 12 mod by 5, that is equal what none here, 24 minus 12 minus 6 by 5. So, d1 you got 6 by 5, d2 you want to find none. d2 distance from this point to this line, 4 into 3 minus 3 into 4 minus 12 by root over a square plus b square, that is equal 12 minus 12 minus 12 by root over 25. So, 12 get cancelled, modulus is there, that is equal 12 by 5, or I can say that 2 into 6 by 5, or I can say that 2 into d1 I can say. So, what happened Nana? So, what I will say here, I will write Nana, what you got I will write here. So, what you got, d2 equal to 2 times of d1, or in other words I can say d1 equal to d2 by 2, means hence proved. So, what is given? Show that the distance of the point is half the, okay, d1 equal half of d2, proved. Okay students, this is another interesting problem, this is also important model. A line L has intercepts A and B on the axis of the coordinate system. So, directly I can write equation of L as x by A plus y by B equal to 1, or in other words I can say Bx plus Ay equal to AB. This is the given line L Nana, capital L. L has intercepts A and B on the axis of coordinates. Okay, when these axes are rotated through an angle, through given angle, keeping the origin fixed, the straight line L has intercepts B and A. In transformed equation, P and Q are its x and y intercept. Okay, then prove that 1 by a square plus 1 by b square equal to 1 by p square plus 1 by q square. Just this is original equation. For this original equation, A and B are x and y intercept. We want for transformed equation. After finding transformed equation, we want to find its x and y intercept. Those are taken as p and q. Then after we want to prove that 1 by a square plus 1 by b square equal to 1 by p square plus 1 by q square. Okay. So, transformed equation of L. So, what happened? You need to remember the table on rotation. theta capital X capital Y small x small y cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. So instead of small x, what should write? B into, instead of small x, x cos theta minus capital Y sin theta plus small a into, instead of y, what I can write? Capital X sin theta. Friends, wait. Capital X sin theta plus y cos theta. Okay, minus AB equal to 0. Now you want to convert this in the intercept form. Now I will write in next page. So B capital X cos theta minus by sin theta. Okay, students. Next ax sin theta. Next plus ay cos theta minus ab equal to 0. Or in other words, x taken common, b cos theta plus a sin theta. Y is taken common, a cos theta minus b sin theta equal to ab. This is the transformed equation. Its x-intercept. Its x-intercept in bracket p equal x-intercept means you need to write y equal to 0. What you will get at x, that is x-intercept. Put y equal to 0. This will vanish. What you will get x nana? AB by this. AB by what happened? B cos theta plus a sin theta. This is x-intercept of transformed equation, that is said to be p. Next y-intercept. Bracket q. So to get y-intercept, put x equal to 0. What you will get y? That is y-intercept. AB by a cos theta minus b sin theta. Okay, now we got p, q and ab. So what do you want to prove, Nana? Yeah, 1 by p square plus 1 by q square equal to this. Okay, now I want to take RHS. RHS, what is RHS? 1 by p square plus 1 by q square. Students, listen. 1 by p square reciprocal of this, no? B cos theta plus a sin theta whole square by a square b square. I think you people understood. 1 by p square, na? Squaring of this and reciprocal it. Plus squaring and reciprocal it. A cos theta minus b sin theta whole square by a square b square. So we can take a square b square LCM here. I will write here 1 by p square plus 1 by q square is equal to here a square b square LCM. What happened? Expansion only this one. B square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta plus 2ab sin theta cos theta plus 2ab sin theta cos theta. Okay, students. So the space is not sufficient for me. Again, I will write here 1 by p square plus 1 by q square equal to, yeah, totally a square b square LCM. I will write here a square b square. What we will get? First of all, b square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta plus 2ab sin theta cos theta. Okay, students. What next, Nana? See here, expansion of this. A square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta. See here minus is there, no? Okay. So what happened here? Some cancellations. This cancelled with this. So 1 by p square plus 1 by q square equal to, see here, student, b square is taken common. So what will get, Nana? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Square this one. Okay. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Plus if a square is taken common, sin square theta plus cos square theta by a square b square. So that is sin square theta cos square theta 1 irrespective of theta. So b square plus a square by a square b square. Or otherwise I can say b square by a square b square plus a square by a square b square. What happened here? Here b square, here a square get cancelled. Final what I got, 1 by b square plus 1 by q square is equal to 1 by a square plus 1 by b square, hence proved. This only you want. I took RHS, I got LHS. Okay, interesting problem, man. Interesting problem. Just this equation is transformed by using rotation concept. So both the axes are rotated through an angle of theta. Automatically, this equation will change. We need to find transformed equation. So this is the transformed equation of that line. The p is the x-intercept of this transformed equation, q is the y-intercept of this transformed equation. I found x-intercept and y-intercept separately. After that, we want to prove that 1 by a square plus 1 by b square equal to 1 by p square plus 1 by q square. That's why I took RHS. Okay, as simplified, then we will get LHS. Okay, Ranana? Okay. Next problem. A straight line passing through a minus 2 comma 1 makes an angle of 30 degree with the x-axis in positive direction. Find the points on the straight line whose distance from A is 4. Interesting problem. Several times I explained. Okay, perpendicular form, you can find the solution for this. So important model, we did several problems. So what happened, Anna? This angle is 30 degree. A point on the line is given as a minus 2 comma 1. Now we want to find two more points on the same straight line which are either side of the point A, which are 4 units. This is 4, this is 4. Okay, directly I want to write, because several times I explained method. P equal to what, Nana? P equal to x1 plus r cos theta comma y1 plus r sin theta. So P equal to x1 means minus 2, r means 4, theta means 30 degree, cos 30 degree, that is root 3 by 2, comma y1 means 1 plus r means 4, theta means 31 by 2. So what happened to this here? 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 root 3 minus 2 comma here 3. This is one of the point. Next q equal what, x1 minus r cos theta comma y1 minus r sin theta. So that is x1 means minus 2 minus 4 into root 3 by 2 comma 1 minus 4 into 1 by 2, students. So here what happened, minus 2 root 2, sorry 2 root 3, okay, comma here 2 2s are minus 1 only. These are the required points on the line which are 4 units from A 2 comma 1. I hope you people understood. Okay, students, our next problem, find the point on the line which are at a distance of 5 units from 3 comma 2. Interesting problem. Here inclination is not given. In previous problem, inclination is given. Here inclination is not given. Directly slope is given. Slope is given. By using slope, you can find the inclination of that, everything you can find. Okay, I will write given line 3x minus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. Its slope in bracket m tan theta equal to minus x coefficient by y coefficient, that is equal to 3 by 4. So tan theta equal to 3 by 4. Obviously theta in either first quadrant or in third quadrant, but you can't say third quadrant. Inclination from 0 to 180 only. Clearly what I can say, theta belongs to q1. Therefore sin theta directly you can find, cos theta also directly you can find, both are positive by using small right triangle. Clearly theta is in q1 only, no, 3 4 5. Sin theta is equal to what, here 3 by 5, cos theta equal to 4 by 5. Okay. Okay, in previous problem what happened, theta is given, here theta is not given, tan theta is given directly. From using tan theta you can find what is use, cos theta sin theta you can find it directly. Clearly tan theta positive, that inclination, theta means what, inclination from what, closer 0 to open 180 only, no. So positive, no, theta is positive means it should not be in second quadrant, first quadrant only. That's why theta is in q1, sin theta positive, cos theta positive. I got sin theta value, cos theta value. Now I can complete the problem. Okay, students, listen. So I want to explain meaning, students. So this is required actually. Yeah, this is theta. Leave it. I don't want that. 3 comma 2. 3 comma. Here one point is 3 comma 2. Say this is A. Now you want to find 2 more points on the same straight line, which are how many units, Nana? 5 units. Yeah, here 5 units. So directly you can write P, Nana, by using perpendicular form of a straight line or parametric equation of a straight line. What is that? X1 plus r cos theta, comma y1 plus r sin theta. That is x1 means 3 plus r 5, cos theta means now you got, now what is that? 4 by 5, comma y1 means 2, r means 5, sin theta means now only got how much? 3 by 5. So what happened to this here? 5 get cancelled, 7, 5 get cancelled, 5. This is one of the point. So q, what is the q, Nana? x1 minus r cos theta, comma y1 minus r sin theta. So directly I want to write, just now I explained, no? 3 minus 4 comma 2 minus 3. So what happened to that? Minus 1 comma minus 1. So the required points are 7 comma 5 and minus 1 comma minus 1. Okay, student.